This is October 2022 question paper, question number 14a. In this problem, we have to find the second order derivative if the function y is equal to log of 3x minus 4. So, second order derivative means here we have to differentiate two times. So, the given function is y is equal to log of 3x minus 4. Take it as 1. So, differentiating 1 with respect to x. Differentiating means we will put d by dx on both the sides. So, it becomes d by dx of y, or we can read dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log of 3x minus 4. Here we have the general formula. D by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. So 1 by x means this bracket value is our x value. So on the right hand side we will write 1 by 3x minus 4. Again we will write its inner derivative by using chain rule, applying chain rule. Dy by dx keep as it is. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Similarly, it becomes 1 by 3x minus 4. Again, we are differentiating this term. So, we will write d by dx of 3x minus 4. So, dy by dx is equal to, keep this term as it is, 1 by 3x minus 4. Now, separately we will differentiate these two terms. So, 3 into dx by dx minus 4 into d1 by dx, or we can write d4 by dx. Anyhow, the derivative of numerical value is always 0. So, this term becomes 0. Here we get dy by dx is equal to 1 by 3x minus 4 into 3. Derivative of x is 1 minus 4 into 0. So this term is 0, no need to write this one. 3 ones are 3, again 3 ones are 3. So here we get dy by dx is equal to 3 by 3x minus 4. This is our second equation. Dy by dx. Here this is our first order derivative. In the problem, in the question it is given as d square y by dx square. Means we have to find out its second order derivative. So again we will differentiate this function with respect to x. Okay. Now here we will write page number 2, differentiating 2 with respect to x. Already we have dy by dx. So to write its second order, we will write d by dx of dy by dx is equal to, here we have 3 by 3x minus 4. So this can be written as d by dx of 3 by 3x minus 4. Okay. Now here we have one formula, 1 by a to the power of m. When it goes in the numerator, it becomes a to the power of minus m. Here we have a to the power of plus m. When we take this a to the power of m in the numerator, it becomes a to the power of minus m. Similarly, here we have 3x minus 4. Its power is 1. So, when we take this denominator in the numerator, when we take it to the numerator, we get 3x minus 1 whole to the power of minus 3x minus 4 whole to the power of minus 1. So derivative of this becomes d square y by dx square is equal to 3. We will write outside the derivative part. Now this is d by dx of, take the denominator in numerator. So we are writing 3x minus 4, its power becomes minus 1. Got it? 1 by a to the power of plus m means a to the power of minus m. Similarly, here we have taken out 3. So it becomes 1 by 3x minus 4. When we take this value in the numerator, it becomes 3x minus 4 whole to the power of minus 1. Again we have one formula. When the function is y is equal to x to the power of n, its derivative dy by dx is equal to dy by dx of x power of n is n into x to the power of n minus 1. N minus 1. So here our n value is equal to minus 1. Already it is minus 1. So again we are writing minus 1. Minus 1 becomes minus 2. So left hand side is d square y by dx square is equal to 3. Apply the formula. It becomes n means we are writing 1 minus 1, and this is 3x minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1 minus 1. Again the derivative of this, it is 4 not 1. 4. So d by dx of 3x minus 4. So d square y by dx square is equal to plus into minus minus, 3 ones are 3. So this is minus 3, 3x minus 4. Minus 1 means its power is plus minus 2. Again already we have done the derivative part of this term. So we are writing one more time, 3 into dx by dx minus 4 into d1 by dx. So we get d square y by dx square is equal to minus 3. Again take this term in the denominator, whole to the power of, this is minus 2. Here when we write a power of minus m in the denominator, it becomes 1 by a power of plus m. Similarly we will write this term in the denominator, so it becomes 3x minus 4 whole square. Okay, and this is 3 into 1 minus 4 into 0. 3 ones are 3, again 3 3s are 9. So the required answer is d square y by dx square is equal to minus 9 by 3x minus 4 whole square. Finished. Once again I am repeating. Here we have the function y is equal to log of 3x minus 4. So we are taking, this is our equation number 1, and we are differentiating this equation 1 with respect to x. So on both the side we are putting d by dx. d by dx of y or dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log 3x minus 4. We have the general formula, d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. Means when the function y is equal to log x, we have to differentiate like this, dy by dx. Okay. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 3x minus 4. Again we are differentiating this term, dy by dx of 3x minus 4. dy by dx is equal to 1 by 3x minus 4, keep as it is. Inner derivative of this term, 3 we are writing before the differentiation, it is dx by dx minus 4 can be written as 4 into 1, 4 ones are 4. So we are writing 4 outside, d1 by dx. We know that the derivative of 1 with respect to x is 0. So this term becomes 0, and this is derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So here we are writing 1. Keep this term as it is. dy by dx is equal to 1 by 3x minus 4 into 3 into 1 minus 4 into 0. So we are getting the first order derivative, dy by dx is equal to 3 ones are 3 by 3x minus 4. This is our second equation. Here we have to find out the second order derivative. So again we are differentiating equation 2. So differentiating 2 with respect to x, d by dx of dy by dx is equal to d by dx of the first answer, 3 by 3x minus 4. So we have one general formula, 1 by a to the power of m. When we write this value in the numerator, it becomes a to the power of minus m. So here we have 3 into 1 by 3x minus 4. This term can be written like this: 3 into 1 by 3x minus 4. So 1 by 3x minus 4, when we write in the numerator, it becomes whole power of minus 1. 3x minus 4 whole to the power of minus 1. 3 we have written outside. So we will apply the formula: y is equal to x to the power of n. dy by dx is equal to dy by dx of x power of n is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. So this is second order derivative. D square y by dx square. 3, this 3 we are keeping as it is. N means here we have n is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 into 3x minus 4 whole to the power of n minus 1 means minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. Again inner derivative of this, d by dx of 3x minus 4. D square y by dx square is equal to this minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. This becomes 3x minus 4 whole power of minus 2. 3 dx by dx minus 4 d1 by dx. D square y by dx square is equal to minus 3 by, again according to this formula, when we write this value in the denominator, it becomes whole to the power of plus m. So 3x minus 4 whole to the power of plus 2. 3 into 1 minus 4 into 0. So here we have 3 ones are 3. Again this 3 is multiplied by minus 3. Minus into plus minus, 3 3s are 9. So 9 by 3x minus 4 whole is